Hey guys, welcome back to my new YouTube channel. So I am starting YouTube, so let's see how I do. But uh, today I'm gonna be unboxing this V11 Fitness bracelet, heart rate monitoring, and you can see here it is not the newest thing. It was like, I'm gonna show you here, guys. The price was somewhere like, let's see, here you have it. Oh no. Oh, forget it. Well, I remember it was $43.99. With shipping, I had to pay $9, I think, for shipping. Nah, $2. So, in the end, it was like some $2, $47, $46, I think, 99. So yeah, that was the price I had to pay for this. It looks like a Fitbit, but I don't think it is. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. So let's roll the intro. So guys, just in case you don't know what my channel will be about, it will be about electric things, electronic stuff, and a lot about Apple. So you can see here, I have an iPhone 4S, which I will be making some videos that I got for free because the owner thought it did not work, but it does work. Just has the back camera because it has water damage, so the back camera doesn't work, and the flash doesn't either because they are obviously connected, and the front camera is very weird. So I'm gonna just show you guys. It is running iOS 9.3.5, I think. It is very laggy with that update, but there is a new update. You can see here what I'm running in general, and here in about you can see we have 9.3.5, and there is a brand new update for the 4S, which I did not think it's gonna come out, which just came out, which is iOS 9.3.6. Sorry about that. So yeah, just to let you know the things that you're gonna be watching in this channel. So do consider getting subscribed and hitting the bell icon. I will try my best to upload as many videos I can. So let's just get started. So first of all, you can see there it is available at the App Store, and I chose the black one. My grandma did. You can see there the specifications, and it is brand new. Just got here like 15 minutes ago. So we're just gonna open it up. You can see here it did not have plastic or anything. There you go. So there you have it. It is inside. Have your manual here, which is in Chinese for some weird reason. So you have English. We're gonna search for page 9. Here you have page 9. So first of all, we are gonna put charging method. Oh, so I was about to say, where's the charger? Let's open it up. So the charger is actually, that's the connector. So let's see again. Oh, by the way, this is the watch. Very nice watch. Let me just clean it. Here you have it. So yeah, it actually looks a lot like a Fitbit. You know which one I mean. It does not have the button over here though. So we're gonna put it back in there for a moment. We're gonna keep reading the instructions, and yes, nobody reads the instructions, but I do. So charging method, initial use instructions. So I'm gonna see about that right now. So I'm gonna get the charger of my, I'm gonna get a USB I'm just gonna connect it to the computer, I guess. But first of all, we're gonna get out the bracelets. So there you have it. I chose the black one. Here you have the charging side. You can see very cool symbol there. I don't know if you can see it. Well, I'm gonna show you later on from up close. Have this thingy here. So this one will go over this side. I think so. Don't really know how this goes. There you go, just clipped in. So this is actually just with 4, so it doesn't have any click and nothing like that. So after that one, here we have the other one. It just comes in one size. I'm gonna put that away right now. Nothing inside the box. And we're gonna put this one in. There you go, easier. Now this goes like that and like this. So then I'm not gonna put it on right now. I'm gonna take this part off because this is where the charging port is. I'm very nervous. I feel like I'm gonna break it off. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna put it here, and here I have my MacBook, very old model, 2009 MacBook. Because you can see here the instructions. It said you can charge it like this. Oh, just click done. My MacBook does not have a single bit of battery, but let's just try. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't have battery, but otherwise, I'm just gonna get an extension. I'm gonna bring it up here and gonna charge it for a bit. Then I'm gonna come back with you guys. So, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so sorry if you hear some little things in the background. It's just that my dogs are here. So I found a little way. I did not find the charger of the MacBook. So I'll just run an extension, as I told you before, that goes into my box there of my electricity to charge my thing. So I'm just gonna turn that on. Not the best way, but I guess it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna work. So the charging port is this way. I'm gonna pop it off. You just feel, it's a bad feeling when you do this. I mean, this is not the best way to charge a watch. I just want to say that. So they improved the way. They can make some magnets here, micro USB, USB-C. But this is not the best way. I mean, it works, but so yeah. Oh, there you go. So it is on now. If you see some flickering, it's not the display. It's just let's see. It's just the watch. So it's not the watch. It's just the camera that does pick up. But in real life, you can't see it. Oh, there you go. So it is not. That's not the real time. Let's see what time it is. Wait, this one has the wrong time. There is the new update does cover the bad timing on this thing. So just gonna grab the 7 Plus 140. So it's 1340. So and it says 1932. So let's see what else we have here. Okay, let's go home. I should probably look up I'm just gonna go through the instructions with you guys. So here you have it, number 9. So you can see here, time, speed, mileage, calories, run and sleep. And you can see software download, search HBand App Store for iOS users. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna go ahead and install the app because I can't do that, but right now with my phone. But I will do that in the future. As you can see, they're very interesting stuff. So sensors, as many sensors. You can see that's the part I don't really like, the charging method. So I'm gonna go back to the beginning here. Let's see what else we should know about this. Strap charger mode, okay. So, gonna put that away. Now we're gonna grab it like this. And we're gonna try to use it. It's off, okay, there we go. So, if we go up like that, what will happen? Just gonna try to do some crazy stuff. Steps, kilometers, you can see all that. Okay, so yeah. Steps. Is this a touch screen? I don't think so. Yeah, this is not the touch screen. It just has a sensor here. Yeah, so there's a reason why it is cheap, but it is a very good buy, I think. So I just want to see how much battery it has. Oh, you know what I want to try? This. Let's try this out. Just pop that up. Okay, so it turned off. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna turn it off right now. You can see there the sensors turned on for a bit. Gonna pop this on. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna put it on my arm. Just put it on my arm. Gonna adjust here. A lot of settings here to choose from. Let me go ahead and put it here. Yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna just run this here. As you can see there. Gonna move it all the way there. And there you have it. So let's see if it has some sensors here. So it should turn on when I awake it. It does. So now it's kind of a weird angle to show you, but I'm gonna go ahead here. Steps, kilometers, calories, hours. There you have it. This is what I wanna see. See, 0. That's not right. I'm not dead. So, oh, there you go. 73. Okay, so that is interesting. Last time I had something like this just to have it. I had like 40, nah. I had like some 80. So, yeah, very interesting. It's going up right now. 78. Let's see if I can get to 80 as I told you before. Okay, so yeah, very interesting there. So what is this? So I'm going to show you how these sensors work. Beneath my arm right now, there are some sensors running. You can see there. That is how the watch is able to say all those interesting things. Oh, so there you have the battery. So I really want to know how I'm supposed to change that. What if I hold? Oh, there you go. Because that time is wrong and I want to change it. So I don't know how to do that right now. But yeah, that's been the unboxing. If you liked what you saw, just like the video and please subscribe. That will definitely help me a lot. Just try to open that up. So yeah, if you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. Click the bell icon over there, I guess. And if you like this video, stay with me. And yeah, this is the end. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this watch, I'll try to put it in the link below from Amazon. So if you are interested, you can see the current pricings, and you can also see different colors they have. This is one's black. They had blue, and yellow, which is I don't know, not really a good color for watch yellows for me. That's my personal opinion. So yeah, this is the end of this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and see you next time. Bye bye.